Good afternoon everyone, and once again thank you for watching into my YouTube channel. So long I never do the video for my content. Well, definitely because I'm very busy and I do the online selling into my TikTok account. So for those who are living in Singapore and want to get some crazy cards or new into these collection cards, go ahead and check out into my TikTok channel, the live stream there. I will live selling also as well. Okay guys, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to put it into my in this link. Okay guys, or I can show you the name of my shop there. Okay, so let's proceed. I'm not going to hold long. Okay, so I will start two boxes, which is I'm going to introduce you these Kabi Naruto X Boruto, which is the latest card collections. This one is not the PCG, it's a CCG, under the CCG because it's a card collecting games. So this is one of what I'm selling. Okay guys, so that's why as you can see there is a numbering because yeah. So we're going to showcase two boxes for you guys, so at least you have the idea how it looks like. So these collectible cards is okay. 1 minute, let me move a little bit further. Yeah, okay, so the cards is freaking insane guys. We pulled this time a few days ago. We pulled this, it's very nice. Yeah, okay, let's proceed first. So the card that you can pull in here is 2 cards each packs, and then of course the what is it called, this one? Maybe move a little bit, zoom in a little bit. Oops, sorry. So this is the hits, low hits or mid hits, SR and SSR. Next packs is CP. CP is one of the mid hit. This one UR is a low hit, guys. Okay, next. Okay, so it's a UR. Hold on now. Okay, it's a UR. Killer B. Next, another UR. Okay, it's Choji and Tamari. Oh, this one is a CP hits. Nice. The couple, Naruto and Hinata. Okay. You are Hashirama. So far we haven't got the big hit this one. What is this? Let us see. IP. Nice. Oh, Naruto. Very nice. This one, so called this already, so I know a little bit of the rarity what you can get, but of course for the high hits, no. Okay. Oh, SSP, nice. Hidan. The SSP and SP is not the high hits already because it's one of the common hits. For the high hits is those I show you, the unique card and some of the rarity. Because if you are well known about the Kayu, SP and SSP, one of the higher rarity, right? this one is CP. Oh, nice. Okay, let's see. You are Naruto. Okay. Of course, this one we sleep because it's hits. Okay, I'll sleep this one first, guys, before we proceed to the topper. Nice. It's very nice. The IP is like a paint, like a paint, like a stroke paint or something. Very nice. Okay, topper time. Let's see what we can get. So this series is a mix-up with the Boruto, because that's why they call it X Boruto. Oh, as you can see in here, it's Boruto. Then I don't know who's the character inside. Let's proceed. Let's reveal who is the character. Oh, SP. Then, oh, okay, Shikamaru. Oh no, Shikadai. This one is Shikadai, guys. Shikadai is the son of Shikamaru and Temari, the couple. Okay, I put this one. We call this one, if you pull this SP and SSP, we call it, this is a toe box. Toe. P-O-H, toe box. Meaning it's like not that not that a very big hits or something. So this is what we put. SSP hidden. All the SSP in this series is Akatsuki, so it's a little bit easy for you to complete the master set of this SSP because it's all the Akatsuki. But the thing is, sometimes when you buy the boxes, you may be getting a duplicate of the cards. So, but of course, this booster box is not that expensive as the TCG. Of course, there is the differences. Yeah, but of course, TCG, the arts and the card that you're using, the cardboard, every high hits is different design behind. Yeah, as you can see. Okay. So our first box is toe box, guys. But it's for the content wise and to show up the world what is the latest TCG card collectible cards for Naruto and Boruto. Since I believe there is a new PS5, right? The skin and the exclusive set of Naruto PS5, Boruto something. Naruto X Boruto PS5, yeah. Okay, let's proceed this one. What we can get. Single. Hopefully it's the nice big hits or something, you know. Okay, since you guys know already, it's a 2x2 cards each packs, so we will do this a normal way of breakers way. Okay, unfortunately there is no crazy cards that I can feel, so let's proceed. It's a normal, hopefully it's a good card. You are SSR Hashirama, Orochimaru, CP. Oh, nice. It's a dupes. Okay, but anyway, it's still hard. SSR. You are Naruto. Rock Lee. I'm not too sure if Rock Lee or Metal Lee. Okay. Oh, SSP again. It's a toe box. But it's Deidara. As you see, Deidara and Hidan. Okay, it's a toe box, but it's okay. It's okay. We'll take it. it's okay. IP, who is the IP? Oh, Obito. Shino, Kankuro. Okay, the Sasuke and Naruto is very nice card, even though it's a CP rarity. The CP rarity is one of the common rarity in this series because it's guarantee hits in every boxes. Okay, you are, and of course, 10-10. Let's go to the topper hit, guys. But before that, I'll sleep first, so please. The IP is very nice, and the card itself is not that you can able to say this card is not that the cardboard that they use is not that cheap, because it's a little bit have the thickness and the weight also as well, but not that very heavy. Let's see on the topper, guys. Let's see on the topper. Oh, sketch card, nice. It's a KP, guys. Okay, not that tall, but it's a KP. But let's see who is the character. Hopefully, we know the character. I really don't know who is this character. Oh, not! Oh, Shikamaru! He wearing as a Hokage in here. Yeah, I thought it's Naruto. But it's nice, you see, guys. The textures and it's like the it's like the sketch card. But there is a gold lining. You see the reflections? Yeah. So this one, because it's Boruto, it's a Boruto series. Not bad. Shikamaru, he is the Hokage in here already. I don't want to spoil the Boruto, but yeah, as you can see, guys, this is freaking nice. It is indeed freaking nice, guys. So we will do the recap. Where is my other hits? Okay, here. So this is what we get on the first box. SSP, SP Shikadai. Oh, wow. And then after that, the father. Okay, on the topper. IP Naruto. Nice. This Naruto is freaking insane. Then our high hits is KP. This one is one of the high hits. KP, SSP Deidara, and Obito. Nice. Okay, guys. So this is what we can get in this booster box, which is good for your collections also as well, especially if you completed master set of this SSP. Is freaking nice. One of the good collections and showcase with your collections into your album is this SSP also. Alright, so I'm going to show you those previous hits that we get in this booster box. The SKP. SKP is all the rarity. One of the high hits also, the SKP. This one is the collections of those Jinchuriki. So there is a 9 for you to complete. As you can see, the card is very nice. Yeah. So this is Gaara, Fu, Yagura, Hanna. Okay. So one of the rarity in here, the IP, yes, sir, is Itachi. So this Pain, okay, Hashirama, Tobirama, Hiruzen, Sarutobi. So SP is from the Boruto, this one. Yeah, you see Boruto, Mitsuki. Then the SSP, which is we have this some Akatsuki collections. Nice. Then PR. This is PR is a little bit like, we call it toe box also, because PR is one of the lowest rarity from the topper hits. Although there is a SP and SSP, but yeah, but this one is more towards to these futuristic, how they dress or something like that. Okay, let's proceed for the high hits. It's LP, the rarity LP. This is Hanabi, the sister of Hinata. So this is what we pulled previously, and it's a very nice. Sarada also is in here, but this one of the customer having this, and then he changed to my Sarada because it's his duplicate, so it's okay. I'll give it. Then this one, EX is one of the rarity in here. EX is this Hashirama. We got the Tobirama before, but unfortunately customer buy, and then he said he don't have the Tobirama, so we give it out. Yeah, so as long as we have an extra, why not? Can give, as long as the customer is happy. The breaker also is happy, and one of the unique card is this one. This is a unique card that you can be pulled in this series. It's a scroll cards. It's freaking insane, guys. Because how it looks like, it's like this, like a 3D scroll. Right? It's like a map. Oh, this is a charge or something. Ichiraku Ramen or something. Oh yeah, this one is Ichiraku Ramen place. If you want, I can zoom in, guys, so you can able to see the detail. Yeah, as you can see there. Here. The 6 and Ichiraku Ramen place. Nice, right? And the back of this card is freaking insane. The foiling wise is shining, a little bit shining in here. Yep. And it's good to collect. If I'm not wrong, if I'm not mistaken, this is a total of 9 sets for you to collect. Yeah. So it's a reasonable price in my shop, so go ahead and check out into my TT channel. So there is a name in here because I don't want to, it's a customer's. This one he opened for trade because he got the duplicate. So think of it, the customers buy a few boxes, so that's why he got this. This one is not that. In one case, I don't know how many it is, but I think it's a variable quantity that you can pull this max card. In my mapping wise, it's a few. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So far we pulled 7 max in this series, in these boxes. So yeah, that is introductions of this Kabi Naruto X Boruto cards, which is freaking insane. The card is very nice to collect. Okay, guys. So this is the low hits. What we can call this a low hits. Yeah, a CP. Yeah, where is my other CP? Yeah. Oh, it's in here. Yep. So this is the other CP rarity. There is a, if I'm not mistaken, it's 18 CPs in total. I'm not too sure. I need to review my cards list. Okay, guys. So here we go. Thank you for watching into my YouTube channel, and see for more CCGs or TCGs upcoming videos. Okay, guys. Thank you and have a good day. Goodbye.